Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. I just wanted to point out that this video was made solely and entirely by Zach from Dazuka. This is his Instagram page on the screen now. Please give that a follow to see more of Zach's awesome content. I have Zach's permission to share this video, and I hope it comes in very useful for everybody like it did for me. Cheers guys.
Just cleaning out my brake drums, getting all the mud and stuff out of it. They accumulate. So once you take your wheel off, you're left with here, and there will be a hole here and a hole here. You'll see it, it's just some holes. You just get I think it's an 8mm bolt, and thread it in the hole. And what that does is you tighten that up, and once the bolt goes through, it hits the face of the hub and pushes the face of this disc off. So you can sort of see it coming off here. So once it's loose, you should just be able to wiggle it off. A little bit tricky with one hand. Get it off nice and even. And then you're left with that. See how filthy that is? Look at that. That is rank. I'll show you what the other side looks like all clean. Look at that. That is not good compared to this. That's what they're meant to look like. All cleaned up, nice, ready to go. But have a look at that. That's crazy. Let's give it a clean. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to smash it with a hose first. Get all that loose mud off. And then I'm going to get some truck wash or dishwashing detergent. And spray it with that, agitate it. Give it another rinse. And then put some brake and part cleaner on it. So you can see already, just a quick hose off. So much better. What I like to do as well in the rinsing stage is just get a little Scotch-Brite scourer thing, and I like to give the pad just a quick, just like that, just to get rid of any of those excess contaminants on the pads. Nothing much, just a light press, and it feels so much better. Once it's rinsed, give it a nice spraying with truck cleaner or dishwashing detergent, and then get a old paintbrush and just get to agitating everywhere you can get your brush. Once it's all agitated, give it a nice rinse off. Make sure you get all that sudsy stuff out. Get in nice, tight in between all the nooks and crannies. Spray upwards, downwards, left, right, wards. Alright, so once it's fully washed and rinsed, get some brakes and part cleaner and just hit it. This will get rid of any extra contaminants that you might have missed. Don't forget to clean and wash and spray this inside of your drum with the brakes and parts cleaner too. Give it a spray with a clean rag, quick wipe, and you're good to go. And then once that's all done, it's a matter of just chucking it back on and put your wheel back on. Beautiful. And that's it, job done. Once the wheel's on, just drop it off the jack or whatever you use to pump the car up and tighten the wheel nuts up and you'll be good to go. This should be a job that you should do if you're doing a lot of muddy puddles. and stuff like that. You shouldn't have to pay a mechanic to do it, because it is a fairly easy job to do. If you're not confident, get a friend over to help you. It took maybe 30 minutes to do both wheels, which isn't too bad. If you're not confident, I guess, yeah, get the mechanic to do it, but it's honestly super easy to do. Wheel off, get those two 8mm bolts in, get the face of the drum off, give it a clean, brake and parts cleaner to dry it all out, get rid of any extra contaminants, and then just reverse it, back on, wheel on, tighten up. Happy days.